So we're already doing that. You know, again, we've been open in this building since December of 14. So it'll be 2 years this December and 2.5 when we go dark, almost 2.5. So again, I inherited a pretty terrific staff. We've expanded some of the programs that they had piloted. So while the Art and Research Center is our latest program, it's not our first. So we have an extraordinary program, and what the team did was look around and say, what's missing in the life cycle in Miami? What population, again, with modest resources, can we serve? And this museum decided to go deep, not broad. So while some of our colleagues have a mandate to serve every 5th grader or 3rd grader, we serve 25 to 40 teens that are art interested from the various public art high schools here in Miami, and we give them 80 contact hours with artists and educators to introduce them to a career in the arts, and they are inquiry based, and it's from 9th through 12th grade, and often we have, again, we're tiny and new, but we've had 5 students return this year from last season, and so we hope to be with them all the way till when they apply to art colleges and universities. So that's an opportunity for engaging with the teen audience. We have Family Day, and this past year we've seen over 4,000, almost 5,000 families here once a month. We partner with the Miami Design District, and we have everything from hands-on art making to storytelling. They're themed often by the themes of our exhibition, but sometimes not, sometimes seasonally themed. So that's another way of engaging the community. Everything we do is free or low cost if there's any cost associated with it. Most of it is free. We also have an outreach initiative where we partner with 9 community and social service organizations ranging from LGBT groups to juvenile justice, and we provide an artist educator and a kind of tailored curriculum, often built around memoir or self-esteem, to provide some life skills through the arts. So we've been doing that, and it's very successful. I'm pleased to say Lotus House is a partner, Pride Lines is a partner, so many, you know, and it's all really great. So we're already doing a lot of that, and when we open in the new building, we'll continue and expand that program as well. Obviously, we do what every good cultural institution does. We invite the public schools in. We had 2,000 students this summer through our relationships with various summer programs and summer schools to view our exhibitions and to do a hands-on art making project.